Hello, everybody. This is Shah Parali, and we are making this video specifically about the visa bulletin. And the question I'm getting from everybody now from India, we just saw this retrogression coming in October in few weeks, and what will happen next? What can we expect coming for the next coming fiscal year? And unfortunately, I don't have a crystal ball, but so far we have been able to forecast a little bit how the immigration will behave. And if you look at their frequently asked questions, I will try to put the link below, and I'm going to recap that on our website, piralilaw.com, and talk about that. But before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and on the bell so that next time you will get a notification. I will try to put, well, I was saying I will try. I will actually post videos every week, usually on Wednesday nights and California time PST, and also on Fridays. So I'll try to do two videos. One will be the radio show. One will be the what we call a synopsis of what I think is the issue right now going on in the US when it comes to immigration law. So going back to the visa bulletin for India, what can we expect? Well, unfortunately, we saw this retrogression. We were counting a lot on EB2 when they encourage everybody to move back from EB2, but now we're going to see that retrogression, and this was expected to happen. I think they got, for 2010 spots, they had 253,000, if I'm not mistaken. Of course this will happen. The visa bulletin works in mysterious ways, I should say. But the truth is that we can kind of look at the trend. I've been doing this now for 19 years, and we can see the trend going on. Right now what you're going to see is a retrogression. But as things progress, because they're going to stop taking cases, plus during the COVID time, a lot of applications were not filed, and we are also getting hit like some kind of recession, God knows what it is, and many companies are not going to apply. So you're going to see probably a jump next year. I'm expecting it around April. So don't discourage right now. Don't get discouraged right now. If you are among those who just missed it by a few months or a few years, continue with that. But the good news is that if you are able to file the adjustment of status, you will be eligible to file also for AC-21. That means you can move your case to another company. But looking back at the forecast, my forecast for next month is going to continue on the retrogression. It might just stay stagnant to 2012 for India, I'm talking here, of course. And for EB3, it will probably stay the same. But we're going to see some kind of upward movement as from April, when the new fiscal year is calculated. Again, this is my take on it. You should not act or refrain to act purely on that, because that's purely guesswork. I've always been saying that, but people want to know what I feel about it. And so far, having done that for years now, I kind of have feelings how things will go, and I believe in my instinct and my guts, and it has always helped me. So I'm going to go with that. And now, of course, if you are not able to get on that, you can always rely on the EB1. The EB1 is staying current, and we're going to see it staying current for a while, and you should take advantage of that. And we have talked extensively about EB1. If you need help on that, please give us a call, 510-742-5887. So right now what you have is a visa bulletin that is really frustrating, but it has always been frustrating. Everybody knows that. So don't just sit down and get depressed, get sick. And hopefully we will be having some guests that can talk a little bit about how to cope with this sickness soon. But in the meantime, I want to encourage you to just call us and look at your opportunities instead of looking at what is bad. Look at it from a positive way. Of course, there are many negatives out there. You can't ignore them. You should take precautions, but you should not really get depressed, because this thing has been happening for years. And of course, people who have children aging out and having a supplement, Jay will have another video on that, because that's something very tricky. Does it lock the child if you have an upgrade to EB2 and the Child Status Protection Act? We're going to talk about this on the next video. Until then, I say Good luck and wish you all the best. Don't get despaired, because I'm getting a lot of feeling that with my clients now, they are just ready to give up. Don't give up. I've seen this for 19 years of my life, up and down for people. It's not time to give up. So just keep your heads up and continue following us. We will encourage you. We have the radio shows now. Please listen. Oh, it's been there. Please listen to our radio shows and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because it's a lot easier for me to put a YouTube than write an article because of time constraints. So until then, I will see you next time, the next video. So if you are close to 2013, 14, I think next year you will be current, hopefully. So don't just give up on that. Good luck to you. Wish you all the best again. And anything I told you today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. The number to our office, 510-742-5887. Thank you.